The spiciest ramen I've ever had. Got these off of Amazon. I've had these like I think about 3 years ago, and from what I remember, they were super spicy. Spicier than the Korean ones, the buldak. It has a little sauce packet and even a little fork. This is what it looks like after you put boiling water into it and then draining it. Ooh, it smells spicy. Yep, it's pretty much the exact same as I remembered it. It has actually really good flavor. A little sweet at first. You know how in like some spices, it has that little bit of tang in it? That's what it tastes like. A little sweet, a little tangy. It's still really spicy. All right, I'm gonna try not to eat or drink any, or I'm not gonna try to drink any water for a few minutes, or let's say 5 minutes. I would recommend this. Spice level right now, it's probably like 8.5 out of 10, close to 9. Again, I got this from Amazon. It's good. I would recommend it, but it is spicy as hell. On Amazon right now, it's for 6 pack is $24. I think I got it on sale when it was like 16 for 6. I've had the Bulldog regular and the 2 times. I never had the 3 times yet, so I might try that pretty soon here. Looking online, the 3-time spice is like $30. I don't know if you have any of that in like local stores around the Minneapolis, St. Paul area. Maybe, I don't know. I haven't seen them. Right here. 2 minutes. The majority of the spice is gone now, so it doesn't have a lingering spice. Now I'm down to about maybe like 4 out of 10 spice level. Just starting to sweat. If you do like spice that is not spicy just for the sake of spice, where it tastes chemically, this one's really good. It has a really good taste to it too, so worth it.